Do you love the idea of having plants in your home, but feel like you're too busy to take care of them? Or maybe you've tried before, and, well, let's just say, they didn't survive. Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 of the best low-maintenance indoor plants that even the busiest person can keep alive and thriving. Let's get started. 1. Snake plant, mother-in-law's tongue. First on our list is the snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue. This beauty is nearly indestructible. It thrives in low light, needs watering only once a month, and actually improves air quality by releasing oxygen at night. It's perfect for your bedroom or any corner of your home. Weather condition. Snake plants prefer temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. Keep them away from cold drafts. 2. ZZ plant. Next, we have the ZZ plant. If you forget to water your plants, this one's for you. It's drought tolerant, loves low light, and has shiny, waxy leaves that always look like they've been polished. It's a minimalist's dream and thrives on neglect. Weather condition. ZZ plants thrive in temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, and can handle dry indoor air. 3. Pothos, devil's ivy. Meet the pothos, also known as devil's ivy. This trailing plant is a favorite because it grows quickly and looks stunning in hanging baskets or on shelves. It's super forgiving, low light, bright light, underwatering, overwatering. It's a survivor. Weather condition. Pothos prefers temperatures between 70 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 32 degrees Celsius, but avoids extreme cold. 4. Peace lily. Now, let's talk about the peace lily. Not only does it have gorgeous white blooms, but it also tells you when it needs water by drooping. Talk about low maintenance. It prefers indirect light and only needs watering once a week. Bonus, it's a natural air purifier. Weather condition. Peace lilies thrive in temperatures between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 29 degrees Celsius, and like higher humidity. 5. Spider plant. The spider plant is another great choice. It's super adaptable, grows quickly, and even produces little baby plants that you can replant or share with friends. It thrives in indirect sunlight and only needs watering every couple of weeks. Weather condition. Spider plants grow best in temperatures between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius, and appreciate moderate humidity. 6. Rubber plant. If you want something a bit bigger, the rubber plant is a great option. Its thick, shiny leaves make it a statement piece for any room. It thrives in bright indirect light, but can handle low light too. Water it every 1 to 2 weeks, and it'll be happy. Weather condition. Rubber plants prefer temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius, and enjoy slightly humid conditions. 7. Succulents. Finally, succulents are perfect for those who like compact plants. They come in so many shapes and sizes and require minimal care. Just place them in bright light and water sparingly, once every 2 to 3 weeks. Weather condition. Succulents thrive in warm, dry environments with temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid overwatering. Pro tips for plant care. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to make plant care even easier. 1. Use self-watering pots if you travel often. 2. Group plants together to create a mini ecosystem and maintain humidity. 3. Rotate your plants every few weeks so they grow evenly. And there you have it, 7 low-maintenance indoor plants that are perfect for even the busiest lifestyles. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more plant care tips and home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy planting.